The Dow Jones Industrial Average is, finally, up today. There's a lot riding on the Dow, holding on to those gains through the rest of the afternoon. A ninth consecutive negative close today would mark the index's longest losing streak since February 1978, and only the 11th such period in its 122-year history. The Nasdaq Composite, on the other hand, is set for its first weekly loss in over a month with a 0.1% decline so far on Friday, but remains up 11.7% year-to-date. With the S index to rival the tech-heavy Nasdaq is the Russell 2000, which has posted a 10% return this year. That outperformance by small-cap stocks is set to continue, according to RBC Capital Markets head of U.S. equity strategy Lori Calvasina, with a number of factors set in their favor. These include the continuing headache regarding tariffs, with every day bringing news that makes a trade war seem more likely. As long as this headwind for the broader market remains, small cap is likely to be viewed as a safe haven asset class, writes Calvasina in a research note Friday morning. Small caps wouldn't be totally insulated in a trade war, but do get far less of their revenues from overseas sources than large caps, making their safe haven treatment deserved. Large caps with greater overseas operations than domestic small caps have felt earnings pressure from a strengthening U.S. dollar as well, which means that sales in foreign currencies are worth less. Momentum is relatively behind the small-cap asset class, with investor positioning in large caps peaking in January and since unwinding. Small caps went through a similar pattern, starting as a crowded trade in December 2016, and unwinding through 2017. Small caps have benefited from that asset class rotation, and from a move away from emerging markets. ETF flows for small caps have been strong for the past several weeks, while emerging markets ETFs have experienced large outflows over the same period. We think EM's pain has been small caps' gain, as both are viewed as risk alternatives, notes Calvasina. That doesn't mean all small caps are created equal, however. Calvasina sees the greatest potential for energy, financials, consumer discretionary, and materials. Those sectors tend to have stronger midday movers. Anadarko Petroleum, APC, is up 7.1% to $74.40. It's the best performer among energy-related names, which are higher ahead of the meeting of the Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries. Devon Energy, DBN, Newfield Exploration, NFX, Hess, Hess, Noble Energy, NBL, Halliburton, Cal, Schlumberger, SLB, and ConocoPhillips, COP, are also among the S. Cheesecake Factory, Cake, is down 2.6% to $58.26 after Maxim Group downgraded it to hold. KLA Tencor, CLAC, is down 4.1% to $105.77 after Needham downgraded the stock to hold. Ollie's Bargain Outlet Holdings, Ollie, is down 3.1% to $74.50 after Bank of America Merrill Lynch downgraded it to underperform. Starbucks SBUX is up 1.1% to $51.17 after Howard Schultz defended the stock to Jim Cramer on CNBC, calling it undervalued. Teresa Rivas sign up to review. Every evening we'll review the news that moved markets during the day and look ahead to what it means for your portfolio in the morning.